Hello everyone. In this video I am going to talk about the destiny number 1, which is ruled by planet Sun. In my previous video I had explained about the calculation of destiny numbers. It is basically the sum total of your entire date of birth, that is your date, month and year number. So you add all of them and you reach upon a single digit, that is your destiny number. But if you are adding these numbers and you reach upon 22 or 11, in that case you should not reduce these numbers, because 22 and 11 are the master numbers and they should not be reduced to a single digit number. So a destiny number is a very important number. Today we are going to study the destiny number 1, which is ruled by planet Sun. It is basically a number which gives you sure shot success in life. These people are very focused about their careers. They are very ambitious. They want to attain a very high position in life. They want to be at a commanding position and they want to be respected, because they will work upon the areas dominated by Sun. So anything where they can be pioneers, or where they can be very innovative, or where they can work independently, are the areas which will attract these people. So usually also, if they are not working, you will see them doing things on their own, handling things on their own and doing it very beautifully well also, because these people, they have got that confidence which is required to succeed in life. They have got that focus which is required for a person to succeed in life. So because of these ambitions, they become selfish also in their motive to succeed, and they are usually people who are very strong and spiritually inclined also. Sometimes you will see these people as the heads of some spiritual organizations also, or you can see them at a very senior position at in any given company, or they can be at a very senior role in a government organization. They could be a political leader also. So any place where they are holding a position of authority, or where independently they can excel, are the areas which will suit them very well. Like they can be excellent sportsmen, they can be excellent musicians also, because Sun also gives you that creativity. And if your birth number and your destiny number, like if you are having destiny number of 1 and your birth number, they both are matching together, in that case you will really do well in life. So these people are usually remembered after their deaths, if their birth number and destiny numbers are matching. So friends, another thing which I have seen about destiny number 1 is that these people go through tough marriages because of their adamant nature, because of their very independent and strong nature. They find difficulties in adjustment with their marriage partners, but at work they are not having any problems and they are able to enjoy the hard work done by others. Now they should pray to Lord Vishnu if they are finding any difficulties in acquiring success, because sometimes Sun can also become weak due to certain other numbers which are present in your date of birth, and sometimes you may feel that you are having some ambition but you are not able to get that desired amount of success. So in that case you should pray to Lord Vishnu, or you should offer water to Lord Sun, or you should also recite Aditya Hriday Stotra. That will also give you huge success in life. So another thing that I would like to tell you is that every destiny number goes through a weak period and a strong period. For these people, the weak period, the months of October, November and December, these are the periods, these are the months where they will usually find difficulties in life. And the periods where Sun is supposedly considered as very strong are March, April, July and August months, because here Aries sign is rising and Leo sign is rising, and Sun is exalted in Aries sign and Leo is its own sign, so it will do very well during these months. So these people will have a good time during these months. Now another thing is that these people usually rise between 35 to 49 years of their lives, and before that sometimes they will see delays in getting success, but the best period of their lives is usually between 35 to 49. So they should try to control their authoritativeness and excess ego, because that could hamper their areas of success. Else these people are very successful and they do very well in their lives. So friends, this was all about destiny number 1, and stay tuned in, because I am going to come up with all other destiny numbers very soon in my forthcoming videos. And if you like this video, please do share it with your friends and press the like icon to encourage. Thank you all for listening.